Where do you go to feel free? To be happy? We tend to book that trip, to drive out of town, to go to the forest to feel free. Escape our day-to-day life and cut our life into pieces. Let's do something else today. Breathe with me. Reconnect to the very nature that you are. Feel it. Let it move through you. That vibration, that love that you are. Here and now, within. You don't have to go nowhere. Not achieve anything. Not have anything, or even be anything other than you are, just right now. You can feel the nature that you are inside, the nature that you now remember.